Hey, you bees, why don't you leave us alone? Go away.
All of our representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line, and your call will be answered by the next available representative. The estimated hold time is currently less than 96 minutes. You are currently caller number 32, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.
Have a little patience. Yeah, right. Goodbye, bees. Bees, please leave. Bees, please
Get along
leave.
there, little doggy.
Bees, please leave. Coming for the queen. Bees, please leave. Bees, please leave. Bees, please leave.
Chinese food delivery.
Who's at the door? It's the bees.
Stop it. Leave now.
Yikes.
What the dog doing?
Come on, bees. You need to get the hell out of here.
Oh my God!
Go away. There's so many bees. Hold your nose. It started a few days ago. I can't make them go away.
I'm laughing too.
What the hell?
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Abandoned ship. There's too many bees. I don't think they're ever gonna leave. Never. Will the bees ever leave? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. I say, look here, son. Make these bees leave. They don't seem to be going anywhere. Oh, my love, please make the bees go away. I need the bees to leave. Come on, bees. We want you to go peacefully. Hit the road, bees, and don't come back. No more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, bees, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, bees, and don't come back no more, no more, please, no more. Hit the road, bees, and don't be back no more. Please go away, bees. I don't want to hurt you. An angel told me the bees were going to go away. But the devil said they won't. They're driving me crazy. We're running out of time. I said we're running out of time. Hey, buddy, have the bees left yet? I'm just wondering, are they gone? I sure hope the bees have left. Okay, I'm through messing around. Get the hell out of here, bees. We don't want you anymore. What do you mean they're still here? I can't believe it. I've been spraying too much of that poison. They're never going to leave. Never.
Denied.
Oh, look, Mommy, the bees are so cute. Aww. Hey, man, take a hit of this.
Oi, 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 oi.
Okay, troops, it's time to hit them hard and just keep hitting them. Don't let the bees win. God damn, these bees are really a piece of shit. It's been like 3 days, Missy. What do you think? Are they ever gonna leave? Are you gonna answer me? What's the deal? So you think it's a yes? 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 Oh, good.
Get along there, little doggy.
Oh, come on, give me a break. I've done everything I can and they're still here. What's it gonna take? I mean, come on! Oh, the bees are making me gassy. Don't laugh. It's not that funny. What? I can't get them to leave.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Can you make the bees go away? I sure hope so.
Yeah. My dick fell off.
I'm false.
It's just some bees.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'm not
You just
fine.
Can't get into it
Because
they would never understand.
They would never understand. They're making me nuts.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Let me see your war face.
The bees are here and driving me crazy. They won't leave. They won't leave me alone.
Suka, блядь!
I wish they'd leave
Fail my ass!
and never come back.
This is fucking awesome.
Oh, go away, dumb bees. Oh, never come back.
I got. I want milk.
Bang.
Go away, bees. 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 Get the hell out of here, bees. We don't want to see you anymore. I'm tired of the bees. No one's got stung, but it's only a matter of time.
Are you gay?
You stupid.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Oh my God.
The bees are still there. I've tried so many things to make them go away. I only hope that when I come back, they'll be gone forever.
Please just hear me out, please.
What the
Forever.
hell? Oh my God. No way. Yeah.
Forever. Forever. Everybody's laughing.
I'm laughing too.